Good morning, children. Let's continue the same chapter, quadratic equations, in which you will learn statement questions, how to make quadratic equations, and how to solve them. Solution of quadratic equations you learned earlier. Now here you will learn how to make equations. Let's read the first question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find out the length and breadth of the plot. In this case, first we have to assume breadth of the plot, and then length will be twice of the breadth plus 1. That's why length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. As you know, area of the plot is given to you 528 meters square, but area of rectangle is length into breadth. Let's multiply length and breadth and they will be equal to the area. By equating them and by solving it, we are getting quadratic equation. And you know how to solve them. You can solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term or using quadratic formula. That is your choice. Now let's read question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find out the integers. Consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. And their product is given to you 306. Product means multiply both of them, that will be equal to 306. Multiply these two and take 306 on this side, that will become a quadratic equation and you know how to solve it. Let's read the next question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find out Rohan's present age. So let us assume Rohan's present age is x years and mother's age will be x plus 26 because she is 26 years older than Rohan. After 3 years, both will be 3 years more. That's why Rohan's age will be x plus 3 and her mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29. According to the question, what is given to us? Product of their ages is 360 now. After multiplying and take 360 on the left hand side, by solving it, we are getting again a quadratic equation which can be solved by any of the two methods. Now next question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have been taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out the speed of the train. Let us assume speed of the train be x km per hour and distance is given to us, and the formula time taken by our train is distance upon speed. Now let's divide it. This is time taken by our train, but what is given to us? If speed of the train is 8 km less, then speed will become x minus 8 and time taken by the train will be 480 upon x minus 8. And according to the question, what is given to us? That will take 3 hours more, means by adding it 3 hours in this original one, it will become equal to this one. And let's shift this term on in this side because both are having variables. By taking LCM and by cross multiplying, we are getting this equation which is quadratic and you know how to solve it. Again, next question, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. We have to find out two numbers. Let us assume one number be x and other number will be 27 minus x. Product of them is 182. By multiplying and by solving it, we are getting again a quadratic equation. You know how to solve it. On the basis of it, you have to simplify exercise 4.2 statement questions.